The 4-stage reverse osmosis water filtration system from Pure Blue H2O delivers the highest quality drinking water available while reducing lead, chromium-6, fluoride, arsenic, radium-226, radium-228, cyst, and more. This professional-grade system provides clean, clear, great-tasting water that you can enjoy for years to come. It's made with a twist-lock mechanism, and reverse osmosis filter replacements are available from Pure Blue H2O for easy maintenance for as long as you want to enjoy exceptional drinking water at home. Pure Blue H2O's high-performance reverse osmosis water filtration system includes 4 separate filters to ensure clean, clear, great-tasting water. Stage 1 is the sediment filter. Stage 2 is the pre-carbon block filter. Stage 3 is the membrane filter. And Stage 4 is the post-carbon block filter. The thin film membrane, the key to high-level home water purification, can handle up to 50 gallons per day, making it a great choice for any household. It's especially important in homes with kids, who can be especially vulnerable to contaminants in their drinking water. Our 4-stage home water filtration system is certified to NSF and ANSI standards 58 and 372, giving you the power to reduce the levels of many contaminants in your water, including lead, fluoride, arsenic, cadmium, chromium-6, chromium trivalent, copper, radium-226, radium-228, selenium, turbidity, TDS, giardia, cyclospora, and cryptosporidium. All systems are built and designed to make installation easy, and with your purchase, you will also gain access to our step-by-step online installation videos, detailed instruction manuals, and nationwide toll-free customer support. Enjoy better water with Pure Blue H2O's 4-stage reverse osmosis water filtration system. Order your home water filtration system today